I'm in Austria. Very random indeed, and it's better known for the likes of classical music, Wiener Schnitzel, and home to the likes of Mozart and Beethoven, but not necessarily fast cars.
We're about to link up with Turbo Elite to see some crazy cars.
And when he says crazy, he is not lying. Follow us on this mini-series here in Austria with Turbo Elite. Let's get it. Let's go. Officially got Let's get it.
For the best in universal premium ester-containing engine oils and fuel additives for both petrol and diesel engines, check the links in the description.
Klaus, welcome to the channel, brother.
Hi, Jamie. Welcome.
Mate, thank you so much for having me. This is the beginning of a little micro series and an adventure. We're here in Austria.
For the first time?
For the first time ever. Now, the way we met was quite weird, but I guess it's a way that people connect nowadays through Instagram.
Yeah.
And I saw you had crazy builds, and a lot of them.
Yeah, we're doing some nice jobs, I think, here in Austria.
Yep.
It's not so easy because of the police. You know, in Austria with cars, they are not so a big fan of builds like this. But it's okay. We started in 2007 with our own cars. Of course, it's always the same. You start with your own cars and with your own builds. And so people came to us in the past and asked about builds, about turbos, about more power for their car. And you know, that's the way how it grows.
The vibe I get walking around the workshop is you guys specialize more so in the VR engine, would I be right in saying?
Yeah, VR6 engine, R32, R36 engine, like you built, you know.
That's how we got talking.
That's the main business here.
Yeah.
We built a lot of R36 in the past, yes. And also some Porsche.
Okay.
Also Mercedes-Benz AMG,
Okay.
4.0 liter, some BMWs. But the main business is R32 and for VR6 engines. This is our business here, you see. Volkswagen, Audi, Porsche, the main business. Crazy build Porsche, nearly 1,000 horsepower, more than 900. MK4, Volkswagen, also turbo build. R32. Austrian and German people are really big fans of these cars.
Yeah.
And the power you get out of it is really insane. The second part of our workshop, we have a third part out, but there are also cars only parking and waiting to get built. This is a good friend of me, Patrick, is the last build from us in the last 3 or 4 weeks we did it, because for you, Jamie, to see this crazy build is also an R30 engine.
Okay.
Also with, you see, a nice position of the turbo.
Yeah.
We tried something new. This is my RS4 B5 build.
Yeah.
I bought the car in 2011.
Okay.
Yeah, and now it's nearly 1,100 horsepower. Yeah. But not finished yet.
Okay, there's still more to go.
Yeah, but we are going to take it out tomorrow.
Okay.
When the weather will be better.
Yep. And over here we have something very special too.
Yeah, this is very special for me also. It's first built with the DQ500 DSG gearbox, completely built R36 engine.
Okay.
Again, 36. It was made for a customer in Italy. He sold the car after short driving because he said too much power for him.
Too much power.
Now the car is running in Germany. The owner of the car brought it 2 days ago from Germany here to Austria, because I told him I need a car for you to drive.
I love it, brother.
Yeah.
So we've got some cool cars which we'll be documenting in a lot more detail over the next kind of couple of days, bringing individual features for the people. But we're starting today with a cool feature on a sleeper.
I think we take the first car will be the sleeper.
Should we go and tell them about the sleeper?
Let's go back.
All right, Klaus, so we have the sleeper in front of us.
Yes.
And although it is an S4 from the factory, there's not a lot of S4 left under the bonnet.
No, there's not left. It's a really sleeper. It's the car on the outside. It looks like original Audi.
Yes,
Just some nice wheels, again OZ wheels. And bigger brakes from the ceramic from the Audi RS3.
Ah, ceramics. Okay.
Yeah. And the main changes are here. You see, it's not an S4 any longer. We changed nearly everything.
Okay.
The basic is an R32 engine from the MK4 Volkswagen, 3.2 liters, and the engine is completely built. Everything you have to do for this power is made. Piston rods, everything. Also the cylinder head is made. Forged parts, Supertech, you know, Supertech valves, springs, everything, of course.
Okay.
Manifold, intake and exhaust manifold, all self-made from us.
Okay.
We did it here in our workshop. Yeah, and the turbo is from ComTurbo in America, in the US. It's the size, for you to understand, is about in the middle from GT42 to GT45. This easy makes 12 or 1300.
Really?
Yeah. But we are not using this.
We're not using all of it?
No.
What kind of power do you make and at what PSI or what bar?
In Austria, here in Germany, Austria, we are using bar.
Sure.
The car makes 1.85 bar.
Okay. Not a lot of boost?
No, not a lot. And we made on the dyno 949 horsepower.
Drivetrain wise, is there any supporting mods? Transmission?
Transmission is from the Audi S4.
Okay.
This, yeah. Clutch, of course. Sax, we always use Sax parts.
Okay.
And the rest is all Audi S4.
Okay.
Yeah.
And mapped, tuned, built, everything by you guys?
Yeah. It's our own ECU.
And your own ECU?
Yeah. Turbo-liter motor management, we call it. It's from my electric from a friend, an electric, Thomas. He is building this on his own. And it's only made for us, and we use it for our cars.
That is when you know you guys are serious.
For our builds, every car here you see is when it's new motor management, it's our own motor management.
I mean, this is so cool. And what I also like about this is, can we show people inside?
The car is completely stuck.
It is literally...
I personally don't like it very much, but it was the choice of the customer.
We got the wood grain trims. We have got the cloth seats. It is very OEM looking inside. It is literally not touched inside, is it?
No, it's like really not touched. It's also made from my friend Thomas, and you see all you need inside.
Oh, that is cool. Hopefully the camera's picking that up. So it's literally a gauge.
Yeah.
Okay, so you can monitor everything through.
You have everything you need about your engine.
Subtle, but functional.
Yeah.
There you go, there you go. What I like to say in the UK is the proof of the pudding is in the eating. It basically means that there's one way to find out if the build's any good, and it's to hit the road and give it a test. So, shall we hit the road?
Yeah. So of course we can drive it. No problem, the car is ready.
Ready to go?
Yeah.
Let's go. Alright guys, so we are out in this crazy Audi S4, the sleeper, and we've got Big Jimmy James in the back. We are bringing him along with us today, and the main man Klaus in the driver's seat, and we're about to see what this car feels like. So 949 horsepower, yes. Not 950, no. 949 to be precise. And yeah, so are you going to give us kind of full boost straight away, or how do you want to do it? Yeah,
we have two maps,
okay,
but we are driving already in map 2.
Okay, all right.
That's the most interesting part of the car.
We want to feel the power.
Yeah.
Okay. Right, it's so progressive, isn't it? Like
slowly coming, because also of the gearbox, I'm sure.
But fourth gear there, it seemed to...
Yeah, power is increasing with every gear.
Oh, so boost by gear?
Yeah.
That is crazy, and Klaus is driving.
Yeah, it's more than driving for me. It is, it's properly progressive. I thought you were
going to over it too.
We have the car has really good brakes.
I wasn't sure if Klaus was going to go for the double overtake there.
No, it's not possible. It's not possible because of the traffic, you know.
Exactly. The brakes work! The brakes work, Klaus!
Brakes work?
Guys, this is absolutely crazy. Literally, the way the boost comes in, because it's a big turbo, it's kind of the old school turbo lag, and then it whooshes in. And with that boost by gear, it's so progressive. And you don't know what Klaus is about to do either. We're not sure if he's going to go for the overtake, or what we're going to do right now. So there's variables, but this is crazy. Properly, like the word of the day, I think is progressive. It just builds and builds and builds. But obviously with the old school manual gearbox, big turbo, between the gears, you gotta wait for it to come back on, you know.
Of course.
But once it's up there, like as you say, like this was built for that kind of motorway, high
straight
speed
going on the motorway.
Yeah. This ain't stopping. This ain't stopping. And this is 6-speed too, and that's, you know, halfway through 4th gear, like, you know, so. Alright guys, so we're going to end the video here. Just a nice, I was going to say a nice little drive, but it was a bit of a crazy drive.
Just a little test.
Klaus, you're the man. You are the man of driving skills. We survived. You can tell when it's like 4th gear, it is singing.
Beginning in the 4th gear, 5th gear, 6th gear, if it's impossible to test it, it makes fun, for sure.
It is also for sale too, right?
The car is for sale.
It's for sale. So if you're interested in a sleeper, check the links down below to Turbo Elite. Get in touch with the boys.
Of course.
I'll leave everything down below in the description,
Yep.
and you'll find them there. So what I do want to say is, guys, if there's any workshops out there or groups of people anywhere in the world, and you've got a sick bunch of cars, dare me to, and I will come and film them. Trust me. Me and James will be there, and I guess we'll catch you guys on the next one with another crazy video.
Yeah.
See you soon.